Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter chocolate chip cookies today. So I got 1 stick of butter and I melted it and put it in the pan, but I just have a feeling 1 egg might not be enough. So I'm gonna do 2 eggs. I'm gonna add my ½ teaspoon vanilla, okay? I use pure vanilla extract. I'm gonna do ½ teaspoon. And I'm gonna blend this really well. And I'm doing ½ cup peanut butter. Good enough. And now I got my cookie mix. Like I said, guys, I'm working on packaging and labeling for this, but this is what you get for the cookie mix. You put the whole bag in here, okay? And let's see how many cookies we get out of this. So we're gonna mix this up. So we'll find out when it bakes, see how it turns out. And then my to die for Lily's chocolate chips. I am crazy about these. Like, you cannot put enough chocolate chips in here. They're just unbelievable. Okay, put this, I'm gonna spray this. I'm gonna tell you guys something about this pan. This is a Pampered Chef stone pan, and it's from Pampered Chef. The nice thing about cooking cookies on a stone pan is the bottom of them doesn't get brown. So they cook completely evenly throughout. So if you guys' cookies were a little bit browner on the bottom than mine are, it's because you're using a regular pan. I'm using the Pampered Chef stone. I would recommend you getting a Pampered Chef stone if you do a lot of cookies. It's really worth it because I'm telling you, they just make cookies so much better than a regular pan does. They really make the cookies taste better. Guys, so I got 17 cookies out of 1 bag of mix. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now for 10 minutes and we'll take it out and see how it turns out. Okay guys, see this? So 1 bag made 17 cookies. My husband ate one. Yeah. They look delicious. They're still a little bit, I gotta let them set, okay? But they definitely look like what a cookie looks like when it comes out. So when it cools, I'm gonna let them cool and then I'm gonna show you how they are and what they taste like. Oh my gosh. They are so good, guys. They're so good. The only thing I'll say, okay, they have the same texture as a cookie. They have the exact same taste as a cookie. They really taste like peanut butter chocolate cookies. The only thing I think is, I think they fall apart a little bit more than a cookie. See that? But it's really not even noticeable. For being a superfood, healthy, detox, low carb, like 3 of these are 1 net carb. That's how many carbs is in here. I'm pretty sure. I'll do the calculations, but oh my gosh, they're so good. See us at the Davidson Farmers Market. Thank you for watching. God bless you.